Welcome to our video. Today, we're delving into the incredible world of Tulsi, also known as holy basil, and uncovering its numerous benefits for our well-being. This herb is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against oxidative stress. Drinking Tulsi tea regularly can boost our immune system and strengthen our defenses against infections. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve various types of pain. Consuming Tulsi in the form of herbal supplements can support healthy digestion and improve gut health. Tulsi leaves are also known for their adaptogenic properties, which help the body manage stress better. Drinking a cup of warm Tulsi tea before bed can promote relaxation and help with sleep quality. Chewing Tulsi leaves or using Tulsi essential oil can help alleviate respiratory problems, including coughs and colds. Using Tulsi leaves in skincare routines can contribute to healthy and glowing skin. Tulsi is a natural detoxifier, helping to rid the body of harmful substances and purify the blood. Including Tulsi in your diet can also aid weight management and support a healthy metabolism. Thanks for watching.